Ransomware continues to rank among the most frequent cybersecurity threats. To combat this, we focus on strengthening our multi-layered defense strategy. The ransomware remediation feature serves as a remediation layer, ensuring that your data, documents, pictures, videos, and music remain safe from ransomware attacks. Working alongside advanced threat defense, this feature protects your important files from unauthorized encryption, giving you peace of mind and eliminating the fear of data loss or financial extortion. Bitdefender ransomware remediation backs up your files such as documents, photos, videos, and music to protect them from damage or loss in the event of ransomware encryption. Whenever a ransomware attack is detected, Bitdefender blocks all processes associated with the attack and initiates the remediation process. This way, you can fully recover your files without having to pay a ransom. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender Support Center.